And we're from the Kids Cooking Network.
Reaching for the sun like a bird in the sky. On the top, the trees are so small. Never stop, the feelings will fall. This is now, the timing is right. You prefer to have, gonna do it live. 1, 2, 3. High, on the water slide. You're finally free. Don't you ever live this far and live this far. On the water slide, you're finally free. Don't you ever live this party, live this party.
Hi ladies, how are you? Welcome to Pure Juice.
Thank you. We're from the Kids Cooking Network, and we're here to talk to you about some of your juices.
Perfect. Well, let me tell you a little about us. We use a hydraulic press that puts thousands of pounds of pressure on the produce with very little heat, very little oxygen to maximize all your enzymes, nutrients, and vitamins. Let me give you a little sample of one of our favorites. This is our Pure Boost with peachy berries, pineapple, apple, orange, lemon, and cayenne pepper. High in vitamin C, high in antioxidants, and it has cayenne pepper in there for the metabolism.
Thank you. That's really good.
Yes, nutritious and delicious.
That is.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for the sample. It was nice to meet you.
Not a
You're my
problem.
juices.
Thanks for stopping by, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go check it out over there. Back here we have the Horny Toad Farm, which is one of the biggest suppliers of natural produce in the valley. We had an awesome day here at the farmers market learning about healthy, easy, and delicious food options. I'm Ava. And I'm Peyton, and we're from the Kids Cooking Network.
On the water slide, you're finally free. Don't you ever live this party, live this party. 10 feet, I'm already freaked out. Now I know what a fuss is about. But I feel I'ma do it this time. Reaching for the sun like a bird in the sky. On the top, the trees are so small.